Once you have completed the installation of your Stratco Outback, ensure you remove all the swarf from the roof and gutters. Regular maintenance is essential to maintain the good looks of all Stratco steel products and to ensure you receive the maximum lifespan possible. Washing with clean water must be frequent enough to prevent the accumulation of dust, salts and pollutants that may reduce the life of the product. Stratco steel products that are regularly washed by rain require no additional maintenance. No Stratco steel structure or materials are recommended for use over or in close proximity to swimming pools or spas. No material that retains water, such as dirt or paving sand, should be placed against the columns. Care must be taken when determining the location of Stratco steel products so that they are not placed in close contact with sources of pollution or environmental factors that could affect the life of the steel. Refer to the selection, use and maintenance brochure for more information.